8 Tips to Naturally Overcome Sadness and Depression. 1. Foods for depression. Did you know that some foods possess antidepressant properties thanks to their nutritional content? The fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals they contain help naturally regulate the nervous system. It's important to eat them regularly as certain nutrient deficiencies are associated with sadness and depression. We recommend including the following foods in your daily diet. Green, leafy vegetables. Oatmeal. Legumes, chickpeas and black beans. 2. Exercising each week. Exercising not only helps you stay in shape, lose weight, and gain muscle, it's fundamental for good mood, especially for those with really sedentary routines. After medium-intensity exercise, the body secretes serotonin, which is responsible for feelings of joy and well-being. 3. Take refuge in nature. Life in urban environments has removed us from nature, which has balancing effects on the human body. Contact with the soil or the sea, the rays of the sun, the smell of the rain, the colors of the mountains, etc. These all provide a sense of serenity and harmony that everyone who lives in a city needs to experience. Getting away for the weekend is indispensable in combating depression and recharging your energy for the rest of the week. 4. Discover chromotherapy. The colors we wear and surround ourselves with play a therapeutic role for the body. In fact, when choosing a color, we do so based on our moods. Avoid black, gray, brown, and other dark tones and opt for the following instead. Green, very balancing, produces the same effects as being in nature. Violet, spiritual and relaxing, best for meditative states. Blue, very relaxing, best only for situations where the depressed mood is caused by stress. 5. Take advantage of antidepressant aromas. Smells can also influence the human nervous system. To use them therapeutically, we suggest essential oils that you can to fragrance your home or dilute in an oil diffuser. These essential oils have antidepressant properties. Citrus, fir, basil, cypress. 6. Bach flowers. Bach flowers is a natural therapy that helps balance the emotions without any risk of dependency, side effects, or contraindications. These are the most common. Wild oats, good for when it's difficult to find a purpose or meaning to life. Mustard, depression without an apparent cause. Gentian, depression that's caused by outside events. 7. Keep looking up. Did you know that your eye movements can also influence your nervous system? Always looking down leads to depressive states, while looking up promotes optimism and well-being. Try looking up more often and you'll improve your state of mind as well as your vision. 8. Be thankful. One of the best pieces of advice we can give you to overcome sadness and melancholy consists of trying to be a better person, to give more than you receive and expressing your gratitude to everyone. Striving to be a little better each day will surround you with positivity and make you feel better about yourself. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.